Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to make these very gorgeous and cute floral crochet earrings. For this tutorial I will be using anchor cotton threads in two different sizes. So the main base of the earring will be a larger size along with a 1.75 millimeter crochet hook, and for the flowers I will be using a more intricate thread along with a 1 millimeter crochet hook, some plastic beads for decorating the flowers, earring hoops, and these are about 5 centimeters wide, a little less than 2 inches. So if you just measure about 5 centimeters and a little less than 2 inches, a pair of scissors and a darning needle to weave in the ends at the end of the project, an embroidery needle to insert the beads onto the flowers. Before we start, I just want to point out, whenever you are working on hoops and crocheting hoop earrings, you always want to start on different sides for both of your hoops. So this way, these are both facing the same way. If I am starting here on this earring, I would want to start on this portion on this side, because when you wear your earrings, opposite sides will be facing outwards. So always remember that. Now first we'll take our larger thread and attach it onto our earring hoop. So I'm just going to tie one single knot just to keep it in place. Now we will be single crocheting all around, and in the beginning it can be a little tricky. So hold your thread in place as well as your tail, because we will be weaving in the tail as we crochet all along the hoop. So take your crochet hook, place it under the hook this way, grab your thread or your yarn, pull through. Now notice how I am keeping it in place with the help of my middle finger, because it can really easily slip away. Now make a chain. So we've kind of made a knot to hold it in place. Now we will start making single crochets. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So that is our first single crochet. Pull on the thread and pull through both loops. Take your hook below your earring hoop, pull on your thread, bring through, and bring through all 2 loops. So just make single crochets all around, and just make sure, just keep count, so that when you are making your second hoop, they are both equal. Now I have 50 single crochets. I have just made 1 round. Now chain 1, turn your work, and the number of stitches will differ according to whatever thread you're using or whatever size your hoop is, and there is no particular number that you need. You just want to cover the hoop. So chain 1 and turn your work and start single crocheting into each stitch. So I'm just going to go in that very first stitch without skipping any stitches. Start single crocheting into each stitch. Now once you reach your last stitch, we're just going to fasten off by making a slip stitch into the last stitch. So insert your hook, grab on the yarn, and pull through the loop on your hook. Cut that off. We can cut our tail, which we weaved in the beginning. And weave in with the help of a darning needle. Now that our base is ready, we will be making our flowers. Now for the flowers, I am using a slightly more intricate thread in white and a 1mm crochet hook. We will start with a magic circle. Chain 2, make 2 double crochets into the magic circle. So 1 and 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the magic circle. That is our first petal. We'll be making 4 more. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the magic circle. So keep repeating that until you have a total of 5 petals. One, two, three. Once you're done making your petals, just pull on your thread to close the magic circle. Now with the help of an embroidery needle, I will be adding a bead right into the center. I'm going to take my thread and weave it all across where my other thread is. Tie a nice double knot. Just trim the thread. You don't have to weave this in as it'll get hidden when we glue it onto our earring. Go ahead and make as many flowers as you like. I've completed making my flowers, and now it is time for the last and final step. Using a glue gun, I will be gluing the flowers onto my earring. And our crochet floral earrings are complete. These are so cute and adorable. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. Let me know what more projects you are looking forward to learning, and see you in the next video.